Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you a washing machine that I make from cardboard. This washing machine that work. Okay, I turn around for you see. This a washing machine that is made from cardboard. Okay, so the first you add a little shampoo here. A shampoo. Okay, then put here and then you put some clothing, example clothing you put here, clothing. You see, and then you press. You can see. So this washing machine that can really work. So if you want to make this washing machine, you can watch again another video on my channel. That video I show you clearly how to make this washing machine. And so now, if you like this video, please press like, share, and then you press subscribe to get more information when I upload a new video. Thank you and see you again in next video. Bye.